YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well.
Today we're making a popular Jamaican drink, carrot punch. This recipe has no alcohol in it, so it's suitable for all members of the family. It's a truly delicious drink, so let's get straight into the video. In this punch, we'll be using a 1 kilogram bag of carrots. Firstly, cut off the head and the tail of the carrot. Take it in a knife and lightly scrape off the outside of the carrot to get rid of the black and brown bits on the outside or anything that doesn't look too good. The dinner knife is a perfect tool to use as it doesn't scrape too deeply into the carrot. Once you've finished scraping the carrot, it should look something like this. Just to add, I'm scraping it on a piece of kitchen roll to avoid lots of mess.
I'm now going to get rid of the mess.
Wash the carrots 2 to 3 times. We're going to steam the carrots, but slicing it into smaller pieces will speed up the steaming process. After we steam it, we're going to blend it, so it's helpful to cut up the carrots. The pieces are about this size. Add a little bit of water to the pot and steam the carrots. To heat up the water quickly, you may start on a high flame or use some water from the kettle. Once the water is hot, turn the flame down to its lowest so the carrots can steam slowly. Turn the cooker off after about 10 minutes or when the carrots have been cooked enough. The softer the carrots, the smoother the punch will be. Here I'm adding about 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon powder and nutmeg before leaving the carrots to cool. Once cool enough, add the liquid and the carrots into the blender. You might have to do it in 2 different parts depending on how big your blender is. Extra water to the blender. There is no prescribed amounts you need to use. Just add according to the consistency desired. We're going to add some condensed milk to sweeten at the end. But if you're not going to sweeten it, then at this stage you could add your desired milk instead of the water. Blend well. Now that we've blended, it's time to add in the condensed milk and the vanilla extract.